CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2026, your first step toward becoming a Certified Internal Auditor. The CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2026 by Zain Academy is not just another book. It's your complete foundation for mastering internal audit fundamentals, built with passion, precision, and proven results. Designed to make you exam-ready, confident, and future-focused, this guide transforms your preparation journey into a success story. What's inside the CIA Part 1 Study Guide 2026? 642 questioning mind study points to think like a professional internal auditor. 500 true-false questions to reinforce quick concept recall. 295 fill-in-the-blanks to strengthen memory retention. 351 one-word answer questions for exam speed clarity. 114 matching questions to connect theory with logic. 83 memory aids and mnemonics to simplify complex concepts. 193 mind maps for visual learning and quick revision. 173 practical examples to apply knowledge in real-world audit situations. 197 key learning outcomes to summarize and measure your mastery. Plus, a dedicated CIA exam guide section packed with expert-backed tips, tricks, and strategies to pass the CIA exam with confidence and ease. Why CIA candidates trust Zain Academy? Complimentary lifetime support. Get unlimited guidance via WhatsApp or email until you pass. You're never alone. No restrictions, no expiry. Access your integrated printable PDF anytime on any device. Study at your pace. 100% confidence and 90% success guarantee. Our structured system has helped thousands pass, and you can be next. Affordable, yet complete. Save thousands compared to coaching classes or online subscriptions. Learning beyond books. Reinforce your preparation with YouTube learning videos and WhatsApp channel articles, all accessible for free. Why you should choose this study guide. Most CIA candidates struggle not because of lack of effort, but because of lack of direction. They feel overwhelmed, confused where to start, and frustrated with scattered resources. Zain Academy eliminates that chaos. You'll know exactly what to study. Every topic is structured, explained, and supported by real examples. You'll save precious time and money. No need to attend long classes or expensive online courses. You'll gain complete confidence. Every page brings clarity, not confusion. You'll receive personal guidance. Whenever you have a doubt, Zain is just a message away. This isn't just a study guide. It's your partner in success, guiding you step by step until you achieve your CIA certification. Power guarantee. Pass with confidence or get help until you do. At Zain Academy, your success is our mission. That's why we offer a 90% guaranteed success rate and lifetime support until you pass. We don't stop until you succeed. You're not buying a book. You're investing in a proven system that has already helped thousands achieve their dream certification. Bonus recommendation. Enhance your preparation by subscribing to the CIA Part 1 Exam Questions 2026, containing 5,000 MCQs with detailed explanations of every answer choice, the perfect companion to your study guide. Take action now. Stop searching. Start succeeding. Let Zain Academy guide you from confusion to certification. Download your CIA Part 1 study guide today and begin your journey toward becoming a certified internal auditor with clarity, confidence, and commitment.